So this is gudgu. With this gudgu I do kote.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
वेलकम बैक टू द व्लॉग। तो अभी शाम का वक्त है, 4 बजने चला है और आज मेरा मन है कटहल का सब्ज़ी खाने का। तो आज कटहल का सब्ज़ी बनेगा। हम बॉयल करने दे दिए हैं, तो अभी जाके देखते हैं, अगर हो गया है तो उसको छिलेंगे। और वैसे भी शाम के वक्त हम जाते हैं खेत तरफ, तो अभी उधर ही लेके जाएंगे, हम हर करेंगे, मतलब गेहूं का रखवाली करेंगे और साथ में कटहल को भी छिलेंगे। और आज पूरा कटहल देसी स्टाइल में बनेगा, तो आगे का व्लॉगिंग पूरा देसी स्टाइल में ही होगा, एकदम फुल देसी इंग्लिश में। सो दिस इज कुकर। इन दिस कुकर देयर इज कटहल, so I take out कटहल। कटहल is boiled, so it's so hot, so I take out the ढक्कन। बाप रे। So you can see there is hot कटहल, so it is boiled, so I take out all the कटहल। बाप रे, it's so hot, गरम इकोमा। So I throw the water, hot water, and put cold water. So I put cold water here in the nali. Yes. So now I can take out the kantha jackfruit. Then it will be less hot. Go. So this is my kantha. I take the kantha to the gehum khet and chilo there. So now I'm going to the khet with jackfruit and I will peel that kanta like thing and we will make sabji. So first I'll open this door. In my house everything desi door, desi lock. So this is desi door and this is desi lock. So I lock the door here like this. I put this here and it is locked. So I going down here and I'll go to the khet. So I have reached the khet and here is my kanthad. So I will peel the kanthad. I'll sit here. So now I chilo the kanthad. I doing here in the khet side. So picnic feeling coming. I doing this here for a big reason. Reason is at night student coming. So no time, only little time. So I save time here and chilo doing. So kanthad chilo finish. I take this home. This is gudgu and with this gudgu I kote this kanthad. So first I tell what this gudgu is. So this gudgu is stone mosolari with this gudgu. So with this gudgu I kote the kanthad. Kote is like this bit. So now I kote the kanthad. So we put the kadahi. Now I on the stove like this, and so it's done. Now I put some oil when it become hot, and the oil looks hot. So now I put tej patta and green chili. I put bakri. When I put chili in kadahi, I run. So afraid. Now I put onion. When onion becoming golden brown, I put some masala, then namak, salt, and other thing. So now I eat the food. This is rice, this is dal with dangara katada, and this is kanthar kotte uttu. So now I eat and tell you how it tastes. So now I'm going to take my first bite. It's very tasty. You also try once and you love it. So I eat my food and go to sleep. You take care. And I end the vlog here. Bye bye.